Hi everyone, for today's lesson, manual journals. So manual journals can be found under the accounting tab, under the advanced. So I actually what do you call this, put it in my favorites. That's why it's here. So manual journals. And once you are on the tab, so you can see there are three other tabs. We have the new journal, the new repeating journal, and the import. So, in the new journal, ito yung ginagamit if you want to add a new journal. And then, new repeating journal if you want a new recurring journal entry. And then import for those journal entries, actually, you can actually import them. So, you just have to click on that. So, when you say all, so all of the journal or manual journals, you will see here. For the draft, all the lahat ng nasa draft mo or naka-draft mo na journal, yung hindi pa nasi-save, dito mo siya makikita. Sa posted naman, all of the posted journal entry, yung galing sa draft, dito pupunta once na-post na siya. Voided journal entries, ito yung mga journals mo na naka-void. Repeating is for the recurring journal, and archive is for the ones that have been archived or deleted. So let's try to add a journal entry or a manual journal. So if you were to create a manual journal, you will need to have the knowledge of the debits and credits and how they relate to each type of account. So it's really recommended that you know that as a bookkeeper. So click on the new journal, and then once you are on the new journal window, you can put your narration or your description for the for this journal entry. For example, reclassification. Let's just this is just an example. So for example, reclassification of the account, or maybe we're just gonna put adjusting entry. So adjusting entry, and then kung anong date mo siya gustong bet that, definitely that would be January 31 at the end. So auto reverse, meaning if you want it to be reversed pagdating ng at specific date. So for me, I want it to be reversed on February 1. And then for example, you have so you check the box if you want it to be the default narration to the journal and description. So ayan, nakinapin niya lang yun. So show journal on cash basis report. So saka mo lang siya i-show if you want the journal to also show on cash basis reports such as the cash summary and the cash basis sales tax summary. So saka mo lang siya i-click. So I don't want, so in-uncheck ko siya. And for example, you have a prepayments. For example, may prepayments ka. And then you want it to be recorded as an expense. So for example, tingin tayo ng, so okay lang yan, adjusting entry. So halimbawa you have prepayments and this is the time na i-record mo na siya as your expense. So your prepayment, so siya yung nasa asset portion. Kung may prepaid expense, so that's an asset. And then, for example, that prepaid is you want to put na already sa general expenses. So medyo babalik na rin ko sila. So for the debit, for example, you want to move $10. So ayan. So once na nailagay mo na siya dito, so for example, it's not taxable, so I will just have to put no tax. So depende. And if you have regions, you have to put it here. And then ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, once na you want it to save as draft, you just have to click as save as draft. So tingnan natin kung pupunta siya sa draft. So para lang ma-show ko sa inyo. Okay, so sabi niya na-save na daw siya. So, let's go to the draft. So, nakikita nyo po, naka-save na siya sa ating draft tab. So, if you want to post this one, you just have to click on it. And then, once na you are very sure na, you really want to save it na, you have to click on the post. So, So, after mo siyang ma-post, so from draft, makikita mo na siya ngayon sa posted. So, eto siya. So, kung makikita mo, automatic nagawa na rin yung reversal adjusting entry kasi di ba naglagay tayo kanina. So, automatic na siya na ma-reverse. Ngayon, what if I want to void this one? So, what will you do if you want to void your journal entry? You just have to tick the box o i-check mo yung um, itong journal mo, and then this will be it's either you want it to be archived or void. So for example, I want my adjusting entry to be voided. So ititik ko tong adjusting entry and i-void ko siya. So, sabi dito, you have selected one journal to void. This action cannot be undone. So remember, hindi mo na siya pwedeng hindi siya pwedeng ma-undone. So, lagi kanyang tatanungin for confirmation. So, you have to say, okay, so this is just a demo, so it's fine. So, okay. So, check natin ngayon siya sa voided. So, let's see. So, since yung ating entry kasi, kahit ang i-click mo lang is yung adjusting entry, automatic, ma-void din yung reversal adjusting entry mo. Kasi naka-automatic ito. Kasi di ba nung ginawa natin yung reversal entry, it is automatic. So ito po, dito siya pupunta sa voided. So, what if naman I want to create a new repeating journal? So you have to click on the new repeating journal. So halimbawa ang journal date na gusto mo would be today. So today is or maybe let's see, not that one. How about February 1, and then this journal entry will repeat so lagyan natin ng every month, for example lang. And yung end date, depende yun. So, for me, mas gusto ko naka-save as draft muna siya para kapag gusto kong i-review muna siya, ma-review ka. Mas safe kasi yun. So, for example, adjusting entry ulit yung ano. So, yung narration, depende yun ha. Kung ano talaga yung dapat nasa description. So, ayan. So, again, halimbawa, i-move ko na sa general expenses yung nasa prepayments ko. So, again, the prepayment series and asset. So, because you can see, makikita mo naman dito, no? Kung nasa assets ba siya, kung nasa income ba siya or expense. So, madali mo naman siya makikita. So, and then, for example, yun nga, may $10 ako na i-move from my prepayments papuntang expenses or recognize ko na siya as expense. So, for example, that will be your adjusting entry. So the tax, it really depends if it's taxable or not. So I will put just no tax. And then, what will I do is, save. So once na na-save ko siya, dapat sa March 1, meron akong makikita na magpo-post na, so, ngayon yung una, February 1, and then sa March 1, dapat may magpo-post. So, eto ngayon, so sabi dito, this is your repeating journal entry. So, pag chinek mo sa repeating tab, you have every month. So, nagre-repeat siya every 1 month. So, ang next journal date mo will be March 1. And this journal is saved as draft. So, normally, kapag kinilik mo siya, so, dun mo siya makikita sa iyong repeating journal. And since naka-save as draft siya, you could also, so ito yon, ito siya. So, pag gusto mo na siyang i-save, pwede mo na siyang i-save. So, aside from that, tingnan din natin kung, check din natin kung makikita mo siya sa draft. Pero supposed to be dapat, lalabas din siya sa draft, which is eto nga yun. So, since ina-automatic ko kasi siya na save as a draft, ang mangyayari is, sa dalawang tab mo siya makikita under the repeating and the draft. And if choose mo naman yung post siya, ipopost na automatic, then you will see it under the posted and the repeating tab. So, from the repeating tab, as what you can see, ito nga yung ating parang pinaka-recurring entry. So, what will I do is I will save it. And then, automatic, pupunta siya naman ngayon sa posted, yung ating recurring journal or repeating journal. So, pupunta siya ngayon. So, ayun, once na na-post natin siya, dapat makikita mo siya ngayon sa posted tab. So, under the posted tab, as you can see, ayan. So, this is the yung kanina natin na repeating journal. So, ito yung for the month of February. So, pagdating ng March, magpo-post ulit siya ng pang March. So, makikita mo ulit siya dun sa draft. Kasi nga, katulad ng sinabi ko, I chose kasi yung save as draft muna siya. So, para, pinaka-safe, mo kasi yun, safety mo yun, para hindi kaagad siya mag-post. So, para ma-review mo pa rin siya. So, ayun. So, again, once you are here on the posted, so makikita mo na dito yung entry na ginawa mo kanina. So, you have the options actually to print this one as PDF. And also, you can add or upload files. Mag-a-attach ka, pwede kang mag-attach dito as you reference. Like, for example, if there is receipt or invoice or anything, pwede mong i-attach dito sa journal entry mo. So, kung ano yung pinaka-source document mo. And again, so, you have, pwede ka rin, from the journal options, you have this mga commands wherein you can repeat this. So if for example, hindi ka naman nag-create ng repeating journal. But then again, bigla mong naalala na you have it to make as a repeating journal. You just have to click on the repeat. And then dadalhin ka rin niya doon sa pag-create ng recurring na journal mo or yung repeating journal mo. So, sa reverse, ganun din. Kahit hindi mo halimbawa ma-click yung auto-reverse, pwede mo rin naman siya i-reverse from here. Then, i-reverse mo yan dun sa date na ilalagay mo. So, you can actually edit this kung halimbawa hindi pa close yung books, and then you can copy if you don't want to create a repeating journal. So, marami kang options dito na pwedeng gamitin. So, aside from this, so halimbawa, paano po ba mag-archive? Paano kung gusto ko siyang i-delete or i-archive? So, what will you do is you click on the box or check the box, and then you have just to click on archive. So, once you selected the one item to archive, and then pag kinilik mo na yung okay, nandun na siya sa archive. So, pagdating naman sa archive, halimbawa, nagbago yung isip mo, hindi ko na pala siya i-archive. So, ang gagawin mo naman ulit is check the box, and then again, restore. So, once na na-restore siya, pabalik na siya doon sa posted. So, nandito siya sa posted. So, bumalik lang siya doon. And so ganun lang siya. So, meron ka ding mga makikita mo rin yung mga history notes mo. So, pwede ka makita kung ano yung mga ginawa na pagbabago dito. So, membawa, created user. So, may mga detalye kung kailan siya pinost, kung kailan siya in-archive, kung kailan siya kinreate. And then, you can also add the notes. So, halimbawa, maglalagay ka ng notes na please check next month, for example. Lagay ka ng note. So, save mo lang siya. And then, yung note na to, lalabas siya dito sa details na meron kasi sinasabi na kailangan i-check siya next month. So, ganun siya. And then, another thing for this is, once na okay ka na, ready ka na, then, you can now add another journal entry na ima-manual mo or anything na you need to add. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you know what to do, if you have questions, just message me on Discord or send me an email. So, thanks for watching.